Don't have the front GoPros. Well, we can't really because I've only got one GoPro. Morning, Charlie. Wanting to know if I know how many elephants there are. Well, we saw these 4, and there were a lot more further south making a noise in the feeding down the riverbed. So I don't really know. Could be anywhere more, definitely more than 6, I would say. And if she starts moving south, I don't think we'll see any more of them until this afternoon. And I'm hoping that this afternoon we'll be able to find them in the riverbed. And I'm likely to spend probably the whole day with them. Well, not day, because not during drive times. But if we find them this afternoon, I'm likely to spend the whole afternoon with them. Because, as you've noticed, there are times when they've been away for about 2 weeks. We haven't seen them. So I think while we've got elephant on tap, we're going to spend as much time with them as possible. We have a number of vehicles driving around. Nobody has found anything else. There is the Moana Pride. There's another pride of lion way up in the north that was seen on the northern channel. And the guys have been following leopard without success. They've been looking for lion tracks without success. So, look at concentration on her face when she's sucking the water up. Obviously, takes a long time to fill up her trunk because the water's got to seep in through the sand. She doesn't want to suck up too much sand. She's also barely spilling a drop. And while we've been here, sadly it's become completely overcast again. Sun lost out. Gorgeous bushrack, and now here are the Battises. 3 blind mice and spot Battis. Yebo. Hi, Sharon. Sharon in Austria. Thank goodness for elephants. Glad you experiencing it with us, Sharon, and all of you out there in planet Earth, live with elephants. Can you believe it? I mean, this is technology. We are live with a herd of elephants in the middle of a section of African bushveld. Wild elephants. I still think it's quite an amazing thing that we're able to do this. I'm coming through a little bit. Okay, well, our herd is actually only one on camera, but trust me, we've got a lot more elephant around us, mostly down the drainage line. Has anybody been counting how many drinks she's had? Quite a thirsty girl. I wonder if Fabienne stowed away in Canada. Fabienne sent a message to say she wished us elephants this morning. Seems to have worked. She's mumbling to herself. Her bottom lip is sort of quite funny how she's doing that. When she's sucking the water up, her bottom lip sort of moves as though she's mumbling, talking to herself. Finished. Hello, pretty girl. Just stop for a pose. And then we're going off to see the family. Bye. See you later. Not going to turn around for a photo. No. Okie dokie. That was our elephant experience for the morning.